I want to show you what I would look for this time of year in the store for the season. I could do this again next month if you want, so I could show you what's going on next month in the season. We're starting to get a lot of good stuff summertime. Typically, I love getting blueberries, which is next month, but kabocha squash, not to be mistaken with pumpkin. Now, another reason why summer squash is better in the summer is because it's given time to fully mature. Therefore, it's gonna have like a sweeter, nicer skin. It's gonna have creamier texture if you were to puree it. It's just all around better, it's more mature. So I would say get things while they're in season. That's why I just wanted to make this little shopping video for you guys, just to show you like what's in season right now. Because when things are in season, they're so much better. Like for example, I'm not buying blueberries yet because for some reason, look, I love blueberries, but fucking hate them because I'm not a fan of them when they're not in season. They just don't taste good to me. But when I get blueberries when they're in season, they are the best fucking thing ever. I will eat them by the handful. So another one of my favorite stone fruits would have to be plums, like these black plums. By the way, if you didn't know, the white film that you find on black plums or even grapes, for example, that is yeast from the air. So you could use this yeast, mash it up, and make a sourdough starter with it. It's really delicious. I've done it in the past, make some beautiful bread with it. Unfortunately, my favorite of the season is already going away, which is citruses. I love sumo oranges, I love citruses. They're starting to go out at this time of year, so just keep in mind your citrus isn't gonna be as good as it was just a few weeks ago. So citruses are starting to go out right now. So try to get them while you can. Like right now we find these really nice mandarins. I might pick up a couple just because they're already starting to go out. And these are actually really fucking delicious. Also high in fiber, which I need right now. I need fiber, high cholesterol. Something that you might only find exclusively to Japanese stores or Asian stores is Asian pears like this. They're starting to come out in this time of the year. These are the best of the season. These are one of my favorites of the season. They're really sweet compared to a normal pear. Now, why should you preserve your fruits or your veggies? I'm in the stuff where I would get preservation stuff right now, or the aisle where I would get preservation stuff right now. And you know, using like a sweetener or a vinegar is a must, obviously, for preserving. Usually my go-to choice is like a rice wine vinegar that's unseasoned because it's more moderate in flavor. It's not too overpowering, it's not too acidic. I love using this. I also love using something like this apple cider vinegar as well. This is another must. I have tons of this at home, but that's just another one that I'll use for my preserves. You can even use an umami-based seasoner like soy sauce as one of your preservation tools. Or even the type of oils that you use, like to make something, say like a conserva or a mostarda. Like the type of oils can also affect the taste of your preserves. This is a sesame oil. I would use this obviously for something a little more on the lighter side and something that I'm not gonna cook because of the smoke point. So yeah, oils, vinegars, salts, I guess using all the flavors, salty, sweet, umami, sour, all that shit. Just think of that when preserving. I'll make a more in-depth shopping video in the future on like what to buy for your preserves though.